Las Cruces Airsoft heading out. That's Lorraine.
So wait, this road right here is the other boundary?
Haven't the foggiest idea.
What's that?
So this road right here is the other boundary?
Correct. This road that cuts across that way.
Okay. So
Yeah.
we're playing all on this side then?
Yeah, all in this half.
Okay.
Her name is Lorraine. Call her.
Lorraine. Oh. Yeah. Be careful. We don't want you to get shot out here.
Oh, okay,
This is it right here. Don't go that way.
okay. But you can't see him.
And watch your step if you go up around this side.
Yeah.
Because there's wire hidden in the sand.
Nice.
So just be careful.
Those stumps could be cut up for firewood.
Yes. So this is Christoph with Dusty Trails 4x4 Garage. And I'm witnessing a skirmish here at Taylor Field with Las Cruces, what is it? Airsoft Club. They voiced an interest in coming back out to the black site, which I encouraged them to do so. Somebody said they'd like to come out and help dig an outhouse, which I said I encouraged them to do so. Don't go past this area, just stay right here. And
Says the guy who passes the boundary.
yeah, I'm also holding a camera up in the air. And wearing their camouflage, they have disappeared into the brush in the sandy hills. There's a fellow right there. Oh, they're pretty effective in their camoing. That's a school right over there. It's an elementary school. That's pretty cool. And it starts. And over here, I think this guy got hit. Yep, he got hit. You guys are pretty good snipers. So, someone got tagged right over there.
Yeah, I got tagged quick.
No doubt. Reaper Cruise. So what happened here?
My spawn was bad. Picked a bad spot.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got shot instantly.
Well, so it goes. And dare say this looks like a really fun sport. Far more sophisticated than our BB guns, Ron and Patrick. Similar concept, just a little more sophisticated. Better range, actually. Because that guy was over here, past this little dune here, and the guy that sniped him was way over here. Thinking electric is the way to go. Someone else got taken out. Dead man walking. Two guys down. Somebody's shooting right over there. Yep, immediately to my left. Right here. This guy back there. There he is. It's right there. End round one.
Yeah.
Well, you survived this one.
Yeah.
They're out there somewhere. Sneaking and hiding. They're out there. My arm's getting tired. So I'm going to call this good for a 10-minute video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Check out the merch for Dusty Trails 4x4 Garage down below. This is Christoph. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll talk to you later.